Create a survey first if you haven't created one yet. You can prepare several questions for the audience. Here is an example of a single-choice question. How are you today? Well. Very well. If you have created all questions, you can start these questions now or later. After starting, you will receive a room PIN. Participants can use this PIN to log into this session via the app and vote every time a voting question comes up. And you can trigger the questions here and stop here so you can see the result. When participants enter this in the Teams TEDME app, they will receive the voting question triggered by you. At the same time, the audience gets the result displayed in the Teams app.